Hey Travel Vida fam, our Regent Splendor adventure continues, and today we've docked into the stunning city of Naples. Renowned as a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its iconic monuments, Naples embodies the very essence of European culture. And of course, we can't miss out on trying the world-famous Neapolitan-style pizza. Stay and find out our honest opinion on it later, and then we'll hop on a double-decker bus for a sightseeing tour and see all the city's highlights. Now let's dive into our adventure. And where travel?
Vida.
Hi, I'm Chris with Travel Vida. Ready to break free from the ordinary? Join me as we dive into world wonders, savor exotic flavors, and chase breathtaking views. One forgettable adventure at a time. Let's explore the world together.
Good morning from Naples, Italy, here on the Amalfi Coast. Leslie and I are just waking up and we're getting ready to explore this beautiful place. So sometimes a little spontaneity is good, so we're gonna go with that today. So come along, check out Naples with us, and let's have a great day. All right, hello from Naples, Italy. We have a city tour planned. We're gonna see what else we can do. Leslie, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See.
Excellent. So we're walking. Hopefully we can pick up a cab, and then we have a free city tour, and basically you just pay tips, maybe like 20 bucks, 20 euros a person or something like that. And we'll try to check out another maybe excursion. We'll see what we can get into. Check it out. So we have our English guide for a walking tour. Got our mics in. We'll see where he's gonna take us. This is Piazza Dante. And this main entrance to the city is the most important. This was created in 1625.
Now let's follow our guide to the iconic Chiesa del Gesù Nuovo and explore a famous church. As we walk, you'll notice many of the Naples streets have a rich history. They've witnessed centuries of events dating back to the ancient Roman times and through the Renaissance as well. The Chiesa del Gesù Nuovo is a bustling hub of activity, a popular spot for both locals and visitors. Here you'll find a vibrant mix of street vendors, cafes, and restaurants.
Piazza del Gesù.
You gotta check out the Chiesa del Gesù Nuovo. It's one of those places that'll leave you speechless. The facade is a sight to behold, with its unusual facade made of black and white volcanic stone. Once you're stepping inside, the magic really begins. The interior is a masterpiece, gilded columns and ornate sculptures. The walls are adorned by paintings with famous artists depicting scenes from the Bible and the lives of saints. But the real showstopper is the ceiling. It's a massive fresco painted in the 17th century. The colors are so vibrant and the details are so intricate, it's like looking up at a starry night sky. And when the sunlight streams through the stained glass windows, it creates a beautiful glow on everything, creating a truly magical atmosphere. It's a place that's perfect for just sitting back, taking it all in, and appreciating the beauty in the art and architecture. As you admire the intricate details and craftsmanship, you can't help but wonder how they managed to create such a magnificent building with so much less technology in the past. We continue to walk through the streets of Naples, visiting other historic buildings alongside fellow tourists. After a while, our hunger pains became too much to ignore, so we treated ourselves to a classic Neapolitan pizza. I'll share my honest thoughts at the end of this video.
So we just got done with our walking tour, and it's pretty good. At times it was a little bit slow. A lot of great information, and the tour is actually free. They base it just on tips, propinas. So you do the tour, it's about 2.5 hours. It's a walking tour. and there's really a lot to see in the center of town, and so much history here, not unlike Rome. Tons of history. One of my favorite foods, probably my favorite food, not even one of, is pizza. And Naples is the home of pizza, the birthplace of pizza from the 1700s. So if you like pizza, supposedly this is the place to come, and we're about to have a pizza. We each got a whole one ourselves. So Leslie, are you ready to eat a whole pizza?
Ya, quiero probar la verdadera pizza italiana.
She's ready, I'm ready, we're hungry, we've been walking. It couldn't be a better day, better temperature. I think you guys will enjoy. I'm gonna do a little bit more videos.
I want to take a quick second to thank our sponsor, Cruiser Travels. Cruiser Travels makes trips like this possible with discounted group rates, exclusive perks, only provided by Cruiser Travels' knowledgeable and service-focused agents committed to sourcing the best deals in the industry. They won't be beat. Tell them Travel Vida sent you for an extra gift. The link is in the description below. After exploring Naples on foot, we decided to hop on a double-decker bus for a panoramic view of the city. As the bus wound through the vibrant streets, the sun cast a warm glow on the city. The air was filled with the sounds of laughter, chatter, and honking horns. Colorful buildings line the narrow streets, their facades adorned with intricate details and vibrant hues. Compared to many American cities, Naples felt more intimate and steeped in history. The architecture was distinctly European, with influences from Roman, medieval, and Baroque periods. The streets were often narrower and more winding, leading to a charming piazza and hidden courtyards. The pace of life here seemed slower and more relaxed. People often lingered in cafes, enjoying espressos and conversation. The atmosphere was filled with a sense of community and tradition, a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of many American cities. While exploring Naples, we stumbled upon a quirky and interesting statue. This is the giant version of the Venus of the Rags.
That is a lot of clothing.
Take a closer look. See those rags? That pile of discarded clothing? It's a stark contrast to the pristine beauty of the statue. This is the work of Michelangelo Pistoletto, a renowned Italian artist. He created this as a commentary on consumerism, a critique of society's obsession with material possessions. Some are captivated, lost in thought, others are simply amused. But regardless of the reaction, this statue certainly makes you stop and think.
Now, I love big cruise ships, don't get me wrong, but there are pros and cons to everything in life. This is a Norwegian cruise docked beside us in the same terminal. As you can see, that line extends further back than you can see in this video, and it loops around until they board. Here we have the boarding for Regent. And there's nobody in line. Yes, please, and thank you. Well, that's a wrap for Naples. We had a great time. I think the highlight for me was the pizza. For you, Leslie, what was the mejor parte?
Una iglesia, no recuerdo el nombre, pero porque fuimos a varios lugares, pero me encantó el estilo y la arquitectura.
Very unique architecture, and the guide was telling us how they were bombed. I can't remember the year, but tell me in the comments if you know. They were bombed, and they actually kept the shell because the shell did not destroy the church. So they cleaned it out and they hung it on the wall, and that was kind of a cool history story for this particular church. We did the get on, get off bus tour. It was about 26 euros per person. They have about 10 different stops that you can do throughout the city. But that's all for Naples. We're on to our next port of call. We're on the beautiful Regent Splendor. First time on Regent, amazing cruise. We'll have a vlog separately for that as well. And we're excited to keep this travel journey going, living this travel vida. Leslie, listo para segundo puerta?
Sí, listo.
Sí, listo. Yeah, we have inside jokes here. Well, maybe we'll tell you guys one day. Listo.
Hey everyone, don't go just yet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment telling me your favorite part of Naples and if you'd like to visit. For cruise lovers, check out our sister channel, Cruiser Travels, for an in-depth review of our luxurious Regent Splendor cruise and the vlog experience on board.
Let's go see some more of the ship.
That's all for this video, and as always, live that travel vida.